Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install the signature that you've created to your Gmail account manually. First of all, it is super important to mention that you please do not use Safari browser for this particular procedure because there are gonna be glitches within the process and we really need to avoid those. So please feel free to use any other browser out there, but not Safari. So to get started, we need to be on our website, which is MySignature.io. And here you can see the signature that you have created beforehand and I'm ready to work with. On the left bottom side, you can see the button that says install. We just click that and we are already on the new page. Here you can see the list of all email providers that we can work with. In our case, that is Gmail. So we are staying on the first option. And here, when you scroll down a little bit, you can see different ways of installation. In our case, we're going to use manual installation and follow all the steps that are here. On the right, you can see the preview of the signature that you've created. In case there is anything to be edited, you can go back to editor, but it looks great to me. So I'm starting with the whole process. First of all, we need to copy the signature that we created beforehand to our clipboard. So we just click on the text and that is already done. Then we need to open Gmail account and on the top right, press settings button and after that see all settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down a little bit and then find the signature section that looks like this. To get started with this process, we just need to press the plus icon and then name the signature however you want it and press create. On the right, we have the white field where we can just paste the signature that we previously copied to the clipboard. After that, there are some settings that we can change. In our case, we want to have new for new emails use. And also I want to have the same signature when I reply or forward my emails. After that, we scroll down and save our changes. And just to make sure that everything works smoothly, we can compose a new email and see how our signature looks like. I really hope this was a very useful video for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.